Okay, stand back. No, the rice is low. No, that's just sand. It's gonna blow. Juggernaut that beast. Juggernaut? In the stadium, the Luke. The Luke disabled.
Gar, helping
I'll
hand.
go down this side, Bob.
Where? Me?
Okay.
Oops. It's crumbling. Along the line. I'm gonna make a big tank as big as me.
Is it as big as you?
Wow.
All right. Move that, would you? Batteries.
Why?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6
Wow.
butters,
6
more.
double A's.
Double A, double A, double A, double A.
Not a big one. We had that.
We have more.
Now you bought another set
What
of
is this
batteries.
for?
I'm
Ah,
Mommy.
put this back.
Okay, flip.
That's where they go, right?
Oh, well, I really like this piano because there's different sounds. If we go to, there's voice, if you press these numbers will take you to anywhere you want. Voice is like this. If I do like, and they even have explosions like this. That's machine gun. They even have explosions. But, okay, so if we press this button, we have songs. Which, as you can see, it changes. They have a different thing. And in order to start your song, all you gotta do is to press this. And actually, it actually tells you how to play the song. As you can see, we have a digital thing. As you can see, to show you, I'm gonna do the Turkish march. What? Okay, watch the keyboards. Now, as you can see, I can memorize this, which is kind of impossible because... Now, this is what's gonna... Oh, and talking about this thing, it actually shows chords too. And actually, if I press this chord, it will show what I pressed. Now, let's get back to the normal grand piano. And there's even style, which is kind of like a beatbox. Almost every song has a beat. Okay. So, yeah. And there's a lot more. If you go to song, you can go 113. Which will teach you, well, actually, it won't teach you everything. That's actually the only this is where you record your song. Press this button, play a chord or something, and then tap on this button again. Please do not, and then tap on your start, and let's see. See? Okay, and then we got, there's many buttons that I haven't really touched all of them. But this can make tutorials too. So if you go to song, there's even these thing called chord studies, which is from like 109 to 112, maybe 110 too. So let's go to 1110. This is chord study 10, of course. These teach you about chords. Chord study 1. Stop, mommy. Now let's stop that. And you could turn on the volume over here. And yeah, this piano has a lot of stuff. And I guess that's it. Now here's the most important. This button. See, it's gone. And you know what button is it? Time to press the off button.